Number 1. London, the gateway to England. For most travelers, the journey begins in London, and for good reason. London is packed with world-famous attractions. You can explore Buckingham Palace, walk along the River Thames, visit the Tower of London, or watch the city come alive at Piccadilly Circus. History lovers can spend days exploring museums like the British Museum and historic areas such as Westminster. But London isn't just about landmarks. Each neighborhood offers something different. Markets in Camden, culture in Soho, views from the London Eye, and green escapes like Hyde Park. London is known for its diversity, history, and endless experiences, making it the perfect starting point for any England trip. Number 2. Oxford, history and beauty combined. Just a short trip from London, Oxford is one of the most beautiful cities in England. Oxford is famous for its historic university, stunning architecture, and peaceful atmosphere. Travelers can explore centuries-old colleges, libraries, and courtyards that feel untouched by time. A walk through Oxford includes the Bodleian Library, Christ Church College, and scenic rivers perfect for punting. Oxford is ideal for travelers who enjoy history, architecture, and slower-paced exploration. Number 3. Bath, Roman history and elegant streets. Bath is one of England's most unique cities and a must-visit for travelers. The city is known for its Roman baths, built nearly 2,000 years ago, and its stunning Georgian architecture. Walking through Bath feels elegant and timeless, with honey-colored stone buildings lining the streets. Visitors can explore the Roman baths, Bath Abbey, and Royal Crescent. Bath is perfect for travelers interested in ancient history, relaxing city walks, and beautiful photography spots. Number 4. The Cotswolds, England's storybook villages. If you've ever imagined English countryside villages, you're probably thinking of the Cotswolds. This region is known for rolling hills, stone cottages, narrow lanes, and charming villages like Bourton-on-the-Water, Byberry, and Stow-on-the-Wold. Travelers come here to experience traditional English village life, walk scenic countryside trails, and enjoy cozy pubs and local food. The Cotswolds offer a peaceful escape from busy cities and show England at its most charming. Number 5. Manchester, a modern city with deep roots. Manchester offers a completely different travel experience. Once the heart of the Industrial Revolution, Manchester is now a vibrant city known for music, football, and creativity. Travelers can explore historic warehouses turned into modern spaces, museums that tell the story of industry, and a lively city center. Highlights include football stadium tours, Northern Quarter for culture and street art, and museums and canals. Manchester is perfect for travelers who enjoy urban energy mixed with history. enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We share travel guides, hidden gems, and unforgettable destinations from around the world. Number 6. Liverpool. Culture, music, and waterfront views. Liverpool is a city full of character and soul. Travelers can explore the historic waterfront, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and learn about Liverpool's maritime past. The city is world famous as the birthplace of the Beatles, making it a top destination for music lovers. Top places to explore include Albert Dock, the Beatles story, waterfront walks. Liverpool is known for its friendly atmosphere, rich culture, and unforgettable music history. Number 7. York, a city frozen in time. York is one of the best destinations in England for travelers who love history. The city is surrounded by ancient walls with Roman, Viking, and medieval influences everywhere you go. Walking through York feels like stepping back centuries. Must-see spots include York Minster, the Shambles, and City Wall walks. York is known for its preserved history and compact layout, making it ideal for relaxed exploration. Number 8. The Lake District. Nature at its best. For nature lovers, the Lake District is one of England's most breathtaking destinations. This national park is known for its lakes, mountains, and scenic hiking trails. Travelers come here for outdoor adventures, photography, and peaceful escapes. Activities include hiking and walking trails, boat rides on the lakes, and exploring small villages. The Lake District shows a wild, natural side of England that contrasts beautifully with its cities. Number 9. Brighton, seaside fun and creativity. Brighton offers a classic English seaside experience with a modern twist. Known for its Pebble Beach, iconic pier, and creative culture, Brighton is popular with travelers looking for coastal views and relaxed vibes. Visitors can explore Brighton Pier, the Lanes shopping area, and seafront walks. Brighton is perfect for a coastal break close to London. England is more than just a place to visit. It's a country to explore slowly, one destination at a time. From historic cities to countryside escapes and coastal towns, England offers unforgettable experiences for every traveler. If England is on your travel list, now you know where to start. This is See England, and this is why England belongs on your journey.